Ready to spice up your garden and kitchen? Let's talk garlic. This little bulb is a flavor powerhouse and super easy to grow. Imagine fresh garlic in your favorite dishes. Yum! Plus, it's packed with health benefits. Plant in the fall, harvest in summer. It's that simple. So grab some cloves, find a sunny spot, and start your garlic journey today. Now let's talk about raised beds. Raised beds are an excellent choice for growing garlic for several reasons. Firstly, they offer superior drainage compared to traditional in-ground planting, which is crucial since garlic doesn't thrive in waterlogged soil. Raised beds allow you to control the soil quality more effectively. You can create the perfect soil mix that garlic loves, which is usually a well-draining, loamy soil rich in organic matter. This ensures that your garlic gets all the nutrients it needs to grow strong and healthy. They provide a defined space for your garlic to grow, making garden management more efficient. You can easily reach your plants for watering, weeding, and harvesting without compacting the soil around them. Another advantage is that raised beds warm up faster in the spring compared to the ground. This means you can plant your garlic earlier and extend the growing season. The elevated soil also tends to stay warmer longer into the fall, giving your garlic more time to mature. Raised beds prevent water from pooling around the roots, which can lead to rot and other diseases. Good drainage is essential for garlic to thrive, and raised beds make it easier to achieve this. You can also add mulch to your raised beds to help retain moisture and keep the soil temperature consistent. Mulching is a great way to protect your garlic from extreme weather conditions and reduce the need for frequent watering. Raised beds also make it easier to manage pests and diseases. The defined space allows you to monitor your plants closely and take action quickly if you notice any issues. You can also use row covers or netting to protect your garlic from pests. By adding compost and other organic matter, you can improve the soil structure and fertility, ensuring that your garlic has everything it needs to grow well. Healthy soil leads to healthy plants, and raised beds give you the ability to create the ideal growing environment for your garlic. You can also rotate crops more easily in raised beds, which helps prevent soil depletion and reduces the risk of disease. We'll talk more about soil later. For now, just remember that raised beds offer many advantages for growing garlic. They provide better drainage, improved soil quality, easier access, and better pest and disease management. All of these factors contribute to healthier, more productive garlic plants. With the right care and attention, your raised bed garlic garden will thrive and produce delicious, flavorful bulbs that you can enjoy in your cooking. Did you know there are different types of garlic? It's true. The two main types are softneck and hardneck garlic. Softneck garlic stores longer. It's the kind you usually find in the grocery store. Hardneck garlic has bigger cloves. It's super flavorful. Both types are yummy and easy to grow. Choose the one that sounds best to you. You can even try both. Let's get started. Gardening is a wonderful way to connect with nature, and planting garlic is one of the most rewarding tasks you can undertake. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, this guide will help you through the process step by step. Fall is the best time to plant garlic. The cool weather and shorter days create the perfect conditions for garlic to establish itself before winter. The soil is still warm enough to encourage root growth, but the air is cool enough to prevent the cloves from sprouting prematurely. This gives it time to develop strong roots. Strong roots are essential for garlic to survive the winter and thrive in the spring. When you plant garlic in the fall, you're giving it a head start, allowing it to grow deep roots that will support the plant as it matures. Don't worry if you miss the fall planting season. Life can get busy, and sometimes we miss the ideal planting window. But don't fret, garlic is a resilient plant, and you still have options. You can plant garlic in the spring too. While fall planting is ideal, spring planting can also yield a good harvest. Just be sure to plant as early as possible, as soon as the ground can be worked. This will give the garlic enough time to grow before the summer heat sets in. Now let's plant. Break apart your garlic bulb into individual cloves. Each clove will grow into a new garlic plant. Be gentle as you separate the cloves to avoid damaging them. Choose the largest cloves for planting, as they will produce the healthiest plants. Plant each clove pointy side up. This is important because the pointy end is where the new shoots will emerge. Planting them upside down can hinder their growth. Place the cloves about 2 inches deep in the soil. Give them some space about 6 inches apart. Garlic needs room to grow, and proper spacing ensures that each plant gets enough nutrients and sunlight. Crowded plants can lead to smaller bulbs and increased risk of disease. Pat the soil gently around each clove. This helps to remove air pockets and ensures good contact between the clove and the soil. Firm but gentle pressure is key to providing a stable environment for the cloves to start growing. Give them a good drink of water. Watering helps to settle the soil around the cloves and provides the moisture they need to start growing. Be careful not to overwater, as garlic prefers well-drained soil. Now wait for the magic of spring. As the weather warms up, you'll start to see green shoots emerging from the soil. With a little patience and care, you'll be rewarded with a bountiful garlic harvest. Garlic loves loose, well-drained soil. It also needs lots of nutrients. Before you plant, give your soil some love. Add some compost to your raised bed. Compost is like a superfood for your soil. It adds nutrients and helps with drainage. You can also mix in some aged manure. This gives your garlic an extra boost of nutrients. Happy soil, happy garlic. Garlic needs regular watering, but you don't want to drown it. Water deeply when the soil feels dry about an inch down. Weeds can steal nutrients and water from your garlic, so keep your raised bed weed-free. Gentle weeding helps your garlic thrive. Mulching around your garlic plants can help. Mulch helps keep the soil moist and suppresses weeds. When the lower leaves of your garlic start to brown, it's almost harvest time. This usually happens in midsummer. Carefully loosen the soil around each bulb with a garden fork and gently lift the bulbs out of the ground. Don't pull on the stems. Let your garlic cure in a well-ventilated area for a few weeks. This helps the bulbs develop their full flavor. If you planted hardneck garlic, you're in for a treat. Garlic scapes are the flower stalks of the plant. They look like curly green stems. Harvest garlic scapes when they are young and tender. You can use them in stir-fries, pesto, or even grilled. Garlic scapes have a milder garlic flavor. They are a delicious way to enjoy your garlic harvest even earlier. Congratulations! You're on your way to growing your own delicious garlic. Remember to have fun and enjoy the process. Gardening is a journey. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn as you go. And don't forget to share your garlic harvest with friends and family. Happy gardening!